Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I will discuss the remaining problem of the exercise 17D, that means the remaining problem of the factorization. Okay, so you should get ready everyone. So already maximum problems we have covered, so today we will finish this chapter. Okay, at first you should try, because easy problems are there, concepts are same problem, same type of problems, basically the data are different, so that's why you can try also. Even in doubt you inform me, I will help you. Okay, so now let's start everyone. Today we'll discuss what, sir, from question number 21 onwards. Yes, 21 onwards. So see the first question. First question is telling here 72 minus x square. Okay, clear? This is the question. See the question at first, the constant part written at first, but we know that what constant part will be in last. No, that one doesn't matter. Okay, we can write in first position also constant part. Okay, so see, and coefficient parts are what? Nothing, only 1 is there, so that's why no need to change it. Means we can get the what, sir, only coefficient 1, so 1 into 72 only, but here we need, sir, 1, so 72 we need, sir, we'll do the factorization like that way. Directly we can do it. How, sir? 9 into 8, sir, 72. No? 9 into 8, 72. Similarly we can do one thing, 9 minus 8, 1. We can get it or not, sir? Yes, sir. Two factors we are using, 9 and 8. 9 into 8, 72, and 9 minus 8, 1. Clear? Okay, that one we will use it only. Okay, so see, 72 I am writing here, 72 at first, minus, so here 1 is there, only constant, coefficient of x, what, only 1, so instead of 1 I will write what, sir, 9 minus 8. Clear or not? Because only 1 was there, so 1 means 9 minus 8 we can write or not, into x minus x square. Clear? Next, so 72 minus, just remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, what do you get, sir? Here 9 into x, no, 9x. Okay, and here minus a plus 8x. This one clear? Because instead of 9, plus sign was there in bracket, plus sign was there, so plus 9 and minus 9 means plus 9 and outside minus, so plus minus a minus 9x we are getting, and inside minus, outside also minus plus, so plus 8x we are getting. Okay, minus x square. Okay, so now we are getting, sir, 4 terms. Clear or not? So first 2 terms we will take the common from first 2 terms and last 2 terms. So what is the common, sir? 9 is the common. So if we take 9 common, we will get what, sir? 8, because 9 is 72. 9 is 72 minus 9 already taken common, so x will come. Clear or not? Clear? Plus last 2 terms common, sir, what? 8 is the common. 8 common? No, sir, 8 not possible, sir. Only x we can take common. So if we take x common, so 8 will come, minus from x square x taken common, so another x will come. Clear or not? Clear? So now see we are getting what, in bracket 8 minus x, here also 8 minus x, same thing we are getting, that means 8 minus x, and another one we are getting what, sir? 9 plus x. Clear or not? So this is the answer. Very easy or hard? Very easy question, easy problems also, but concept should be clear, otherwise you cannot solve it. That is the main thing. Okay, next 22, see the question. 22 is telling x square minus 3xy minus 40y square. I am writing the question, x square minus 3xy minus 40y square. This is the question. What to do, sir, here? See, actually we did what, sir? So many problems we have done, but there only one, I think one variable was there. but only one or two problems, two variables was there, but here also given same problems, two variables given in the question, but that one don't worry, no need to just don't take pressure, because we can easily solve it, same way we can solve it. Okay. So see, at first the coefficient of x square what are only 1 and coefficient of y square what are 40. So 1 into 40 are what? 1 into 40 are what? Only 40. Okay, so we need 3. So 1 into 40 we are getting 40. So that means we can directly do it, sir. 8 into 5 40, no? Okay, and 8 minus 5 3 we can get or not, sir? Yes, sir. So that means we will use 8 and 5. Okay, just write it. So x square minus, so instead of 3 we can write what, sir? 8 minus 5 xy. Okay, so minus 40 y square. Clear or not? Clear. Next, so x square minus, now remove the bracket. So if we remove the bracket, what we get, sir? What we get? Minus 8xy. Clear or not? Clear. And minus outside minus, and inside also minus means say plus 5xy. Clear. Next, minus 40y square. Okay, so now take common. So we are getting, sir, 4 terms. So from first 2 terms and last 2 terms we can take common. Okay, so from first 2 terms what is the common, sir? X is the common. Yes, only x is the common. So if we take x common, so another x will come inside, minus, and 8y will come only, because x already taken common. Next, plus last 2 terms 5 common and y common. See, yes, 5 common and y common. So x will come, minus 5 8 is 40, no? 8 will come, and y square was there, only y taken one time, so 1 y will come. Clear. So now see that inside x minus 8y is coming or not? Yes, the same thing is coming. Clear. So that means x minus 8y, and another one will be x plus 5y. Clear or not? Clear. So this is the solution, this is the answer. Clear. Easy or hard? Same process we are following, same way we are solving all the problems. Okay, so 23 also you can do it like that process, same process like 22. So at first I am writing the question: 3x square y plus 11xy plus 6y. Okay, 3x square y plus 11xy plus 6y, this is the question. So what to do, sir, here? See, at first little problem was there. Why little problem? Because question number 22, in every terms y was not there, only second term and third term y was there, but here 23rd y is there in every term. Okay, clear. So that's why we can take common y. So if we take common y and any other portion we can take common, no, sir, not possible. So that means 3x square. Okay, inside will come 3x square, y already taken. Next, 11x plus, and 6 will come. Clear or not? Clear. Because y, every terms y is there, so that's why we can take common y. So at first we have to take common y. So remaining portion is coming what? 3x square plus 11x plus 6, that is coming in the inside of the bracket. Clear or not? Now the same process we have to follow. Okay, I am giving here second bracket, because see here x square coefficient what's a 3, so 3 into 6 what's a 18, 3 into 6 18. Clear or not? 18. So but we need what, sir? 11 we need. So directly we can do it or not, sir? Yes. 9 into 2, sir, 18, no? 9 into 2 18, and we need, sir, 11 means we can write what, sir? 9 plus 2. Clear or not? Clear. Understood? So that means we can write what? 3x square plus, instead of 9 we can write what's a 9 plus 2 x plus 6. Clear or not? Clear or not? So 3x square plus 9x plus 2x, because we are removing the bracket, plus 6. Understood? Clear? So why keep it like that same? So from first two terms we can take common, sir. What is the common, sir? What is the common, sir? 3x common. So if we take 3x common, so x will come inside, plus 3 will come. Understood? Clear? Plus, so here 2x plus 6, 2x plus means 2 we can take common. So if we take 2 common, so inside x will come and here 3 will come, because 2 3 is 6. Understood? Clear or not? So why? So that means here see in bracket x plus 3, here also x plus 3, that means correct. Okay, so take the common portion x plus 3 and the remaining portion is coming what's 3x plus 2. So this is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Hard? No sir, easy question, easy problems, process is same way we are solving. Yes sir, we are solving in same process. Okay, only data are different. And easiest chapter, this is the easiest chapter, very easy chapter. Okay, next sir, see 23 finished. Yes, 23 complete. Next sir, 24. I am writing the question at first. You can try also. Just a minute. So see 24 we are getting what, sir? A minus b whole square minus 5 into a minus b plus 6. Okay, clear? A minus b whole square minus 5 into a minus b plus 6. Clear? Okay, so here see, here little difference given here. Why is it different? Because here x was there, so whatever is there in bracket portion, no, that one x was there in the question, means whatever we did before there was x, but here given only a minus b. Okay, clear? So don't worry, we can do it easily, any way we can do it. So here basically we can consider let x equal to a minus b. Okay, so this portion and this portion same, no, bracket portion, so that's why instead of a minus b, that one we are considering what's our x. Clear? Clear or not? So that means we can write what? That means we can write what? X square minus 5x plus 6. Now we are getting, sir, because we instead of a minus b we are writing, sir, x. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Now see, same process we have to follow. Here coefficient part 1, so 1 into 6, 6, but we need, sir, what, sir? 5. Okay, so 6 means we have to do what, sir? 3 into 2, and 3 plus 2 also we will get what, sir? 5. Clear or not? Means 3 and 2 we will use. Clear? Okay, just write it. So x square minus 3 plus 2 x plus 6. Understood? Clear? Now remove the bracket. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6, we are removing the bracket. Clear? Clear or not? So now take common. Now common take x common. So if we take x common, so x minus 3 will come in bracket. Next minus 2 common. If we take minus 2 common, so x minus 3 will come. Clear or not? Because plus sign was there. Plus means 2 minus. 1 minus we have taken common and another minus will come inside. Okay, and 6 2 taken means 2 3 is 6, 3 will come. So now see, in a bracket same portion is coming, sir. Yes, same portion is coming. So that means x minus 3 and another one will come what, sir? X minus 2. Clear or not? Understood? Clear? So this is the answer. But here one problem is there. Why, sir? What is the problem, sir? We are getting answer, but one problem. Yes, sir. What is the problem? See, here we are getting x minus 3 and x minus 2, but our question was there a minus b was there, variable a and b, but we are getting here ax only. Clear? So that is the problem. So that's why instead of x we have to write sir a minus b. Clear? Clear or not? So that means a minus b minus 3, and another one will be what sir? A minus b minus 2. That is the answer. Okay, clear? So if you write that x minus 3 and x minus 2, your the number will be, means your marks will be deducted. That is the thing. Suppose 2 marks question, you will get that 1.5 marks like that. Okay, clear? Okay, next what sir? So 24 complete. Next 25. See 25 question is telling a minus 3b whole square. I am just little erasing. A minus you can try also same process. Here a minus 3b given, instead of x in bracket a minus 3b given, so that's why we can do like that process, like 24. Okay, a minus 3b means we can consider x. Clear or not? We can consider it. Okay, I am writing here, see 25. So a minus 3b whole square minus 4 into a minus 3b minus 21. This is the question. A minus 3b whole square minus 4 into a minus 3b minus 21. This is the question. So what to do here sir now? See, in bracket portion a minus 3b, same portion is given. Here also a minus 3b, here also a minus 3b. So that means we have to consider what sir? A minus 3b equal to x. A minus 3b equal to x. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? So that means we can write now x square minus 4x minus 21. Now it is clear sir? Clear or not? Because we are writing instead of a minus 3b x we are writing. Okay, now it is easy. It is very easy. Okay, so any coefficient part is there with x? No sir, nothing. So only 21 we are getting. So 21 means we can write what sir? 7 into 3. Okay, and 4 means we can write what sir? 7 minus 3. Clear or not? Clear? So that means we can use 7 and 3. Factor 7 and 3. Understood? So then x square minus 4 means 7 minus 3, x minus 21. Clear? Clear? So now we are getting x square. Remove the bracket. So if we remove the bracket, we will get what sir? 7x minus 7x. Okay, and minus minus plus 3x minus 21. 4 terms we are getting. So from 2 terms, first 2 terms common take. Any common portion is there? Yes sir, common is there. Common x only. So x common take. So x minus 7 will come. Clear? Plus 3x minus 21 means 3 will come. Common 3. So x minus 7. Understood? Clear? Next, see in bracket portion same thing is coming or not? Yes, same thing is coming. That means correct. Okay. Next. So next we are getting sir what? X minus 7 and x plus 3. So this is the answer? No sir, this is not answer because x was not there. Clear? X was there? No sir. In the question a minus 3b was there. So that means we have to write instead of a x a minus 3b. Okay, so write it here. So a minus 3b minus 7, and another one will be a minus 3b plus 3 plus 3. Clear? So this is the answer. Clear everyone? I hope clear. Next, question number 26. 26 also same process, we have to solve it. 26, 27, same process. Okay, just see, I am just little erasing because space problem, so that's why. Otherwise you have to try also, no problem. At first write the question and try to understand. So 26 is given sir here given 3 into y minus 2 whole square minus y minus 2 and minus 44. This is the question. 3 into y minus 2 whole square minus in bracket y minus 2 minus 44. This is the question. Sir, what to do sir here? See, here in bracket portion y minus 2, here also y minus 2, same thing is given. So that means we have to consider it y minus 2 equal to x. Clear? So now we'll get what, sir? Now we get what? 3x square minus x minus 44. Clear or not? Clear? 3x square minus x minus 44, we are getting this one. Clear? Understood? Okay, now coefficient part of the x square, what's a 3 and 44, just multiply it. 44 into 3, 44 into 3, what's sir? 132. Clear? But we need, sir, what? 1 only. We need 1. So what to do, sir, here? See, directly we can do it, sir. How? 12 into 11 into 12, I think. Yes, 11 into 12, 132. Okay, 11 and 12, if we multiply it, 12 times, yes, 12 times 120 and 12, yes, 132. That means 132 we can write what, sir? 12 into 11. 12 into 11, and 1 means 12 minus 1, 12 minus 11 will get 1. Okay, okay, so now write it. 3x square minus, so instead of here 1, here 1 was there, no, in the question, only x was there. X means what? 1x means we can write 12 minus 11, x minus 44. Clear or not? Clear? Next, so 3x square minus 12x minus plus 11x minus 44. Okay, so 4 terms we are getting. Take common from first 2 terms. Any common is there, sir? Yes, any common is there. So what is the common, sir? Yes, 3x is the common. 3x is the common. So remaining x will come inside of the bracket. Minus 3 4 ja 12, 4 will come. X already taken, so only x minus 4 will come. Okay, and the last 2 terms, any common? Yes, 11 is the common, so x minus 4 will come. Now see, x minus 4, here also x minus 4, same thing is coming. Okay, so that means we are getting what, sir? X minus 4, and another one we are getting 3x plus 11. Okay, but this is not answer, because instead of x was there, y minus 2 was there. So write it, instead of x, y minus 2. That means y minus 2 minus 4. Okay, and another one we are getting here, 3 into y minus 2 plus 11. Clear? So that means little calculation to it here. Y minus 2 minus 4, that means y minus 6. Okay, and here we are getting what, sir? 3y minus 6. 3 into minus 2, what, sir? Minus 6 plus 11. Okay, that means we are getting here y minus 6, and another one we are getting, sir, 3y plus 5. So this is the answer, 3y plus 5, and another one y minus 6. Clear? Clear or not? This is question number 26. Okay, clear? 26 cover complete. Next 27. 27, read the question, sir, and write. And write. 27 is telling here 7 plus 10 into x plus y minus 8 into x plus y whole square. That is the question. So what to do, sir, here? Just see. At first write the question. I am writing here 27 question number. 7 plus 10 into x plus y minus 8 into x plus y whole square. This is the question. So what to do, sir? What to do? See, here constant part given, written first. At first written constant part. Okay, square part, that one at last written. They have written what? Lastly they have written. Okay, so that one doesn't matter, no problem. We can easily solve it. So see, here x plus y is there inside of the bracket. Okay, clear? So that's why here we can consider it what, sir? Let x, no need x, just because x already given in the question. So that's why take any other variable. Any other variable means we can take m, we can take it. Yes, no problem, that one. am equal to x plus y. So instead of x plus y we are taking, sir, considering am. Okay, so now write the question. So 7 plus 10m minus 8m square, this is the question now. 7 plus 10m minus 8m square, this is the question. Now solve it. Now it is okay, easy. Okay, so see, so what to do, sir? Here 7 and here coefficient 8, 7 into 8 is 56, but here needs a 10, in middle sir 10 is needed. What to do, sir? Here yes, directly we can do it. Yes, 14 into 4, 14 4 is, sir, 56 no, and 10 need, so 10 means 14 minus 4, we will get 10, sir. So that means we can write, instead of 10, 14 minus 4 we will write. Clear or not? Understood? Next, so 7 plus this one we are getting 14m minus 4m minus 8m square. Clear or not? Means removing the bracket. Okay, now take common, sir. What is the common from first two terms? 7 is the common. So if we take 7 common, so 1 plus 2m will come, because 14 means 7 taken, means 7 to 14, so that's why 2m. And last two terms common, sir. What? Last two terms minus 4 also common and m also common. So if we take minus 4m common, so 1 will come, plus why plus, because minus already taken common, and 2 will come, 2m will come. Clear? Understood? So now see, that means what, sir? 1 plus 2m and another one we are getting here, 7 minus 4m. Clear? This is the answer. Yes, sir, this is the answer. But no, sir, this is not answer. Why? Because in the question x plus y was there instead of am. We are getting here only am. Clear? So that's why instead of am we have to write what, sir? X plus y. Clear? So we have to give here second bracket. Okay, so 7 minus 4 into am means what, sir? X plus y. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Next, so that means we are getting here 1 plus 2x plus 2y. Okay, and here we are getting, sir, 7 minus 4x minus 4y minus 4y. Clear? Why minus 4y? Because minus is there, no, outside, minus plus minus, so that's why minus we are getting, and 4y. Clear? So this is the answer. Clear or not? Understood? I have clear, everyone? Clear? So finished all problems? Finished or not? All problems finished? So I hope clear, everyone. Even in doubt you inform me, I will help you again, I will explain again, but you have to practice it. So what is your homework, sir? Take it at first, your homework. So your homework, just a minute, I am little erasing here. Homework, sir, all problems, okay, of exercise 17D, I think this one. So all problems you have to practice. 17D, yes, all problems of exercise 17D you have to practice. You have to practice and submit it. Clear? That is your homework. I hope clear, everyone. So that's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.